Hello, Websol Energy Systems latest earnings are finally out. So first, revenue from operations surged 132.1%. That is an exceptionally good growth rate from 173 crores to 401 crores in quarter 4 fiscal year 26. EBITDA increased by only 86.4%, which is still a very good growth rate, very good growth rate. However, way less than revenue, EBITDA margins have contracted from 45.4% to 36.4%. Management, I guess, may have to clarify what they think will be the future growth rate of, sorry, the future margins of the company. Profit before tax PBT increased by 89.2%. However, profit after tax increased by 157.9% from 48 crores to 125 crores. So why is EBITDA only increased by like something like 86%, while profit after tax increased by 157.9%? That is because they paid almost negligible taxes in this quarter. They paid almost no taxes for this particular quarter. And of course, they have given reasons. The deferred tax expense declined almost rapidly. And in the current tax expense, they actually got some sort of a write back, not exactly a write back, but they didn't have to pay anything in current taxes. They actually received in current taxes. That is important to remember. Earnings per share increased from 1.1 rupees to 2.8 crore, 2.8 rupees, 140% growth in earnings per share. Then, in business highlights, something really good. So first of all, they have initiated the upgrade of one of their monoperk cell lines to TopCon. Monoperk is the old technology, TopCon is a newer technology for cell. Post commissioning of this capacity, overall cell capacity will increase to 1.35 gigawatt. So the current cell capacity is actually 1.2 gigawatt. After they will upgrade this, they've initiated it. Okay, when they actually do upgrade this, it will increase to 1.35 gigawatt. So from 1.2 gigawatt to 1.35 gigawatt, that's an increase in total capacity. Now this, they actually achieve what they said. Their cell line 2, their second solar cell producing line, has successfully ramped up. Overall cell capacity utilization remained above 90%. So cell 1 plus cell 2 is now remaining above 90%. Module line utilization, solar module line, is being utilized at 74%. And they mentioned similar numbers, similar ranges, 90% plus and 74% plus in their previous con call, February 26th con call, at least for the modules. So they have achieved that. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. Then, as of March 31st, 2026, total debt 118 crores, cash and cash equivalents 152 crores, and they have a strong order book of 1161 crores as of March 31st, 2026. Overall, really, really good growth rate. Let us see how the EBITDA margin is in the future, and management's the company's con call should maybe be today. So let's see what they say in the future regarding profit margins, and yeah, of course, growth.